Hello, motherfuckers. So this is the second and final video of tonight. We're doing the final one because, well, it's time is getting on and we want to sleep. Well, that's not the reason, but it's a simple fact that it is the final one. So enjoy. So we're gonna drink.
We're drink.
We're gonna drink.
Yeah.
Right.
Drink. John.
Cheers to future beginnings, right? And I will be back. I will be back. I'm never gonna disappear forever, but I will be back. Alright. We gotta sit.
And what we doing dead arms or slaps?
Dead arms. Dead arms. Because dead arms is much more fun than slaps. Right. Ah! Fuck! Ah!
That was hanging out. That was hanging out, that's right.
Ah! Fuck! I'm gonna move the wrist for that one. Oh! My wanker! Oh! Do you know, I really feel like the urge to somehow punch you, but it's got to be left-handed.
You want a left hand punch as well?
Go for it. Ah! That was my wrist. You punched my wrist. How the fuck?
I don't know. Just get on with it, please. I don't want to do this.
My God. That's in there. That's it. I flinched.
Oh!
I flinched twice. Ow! Ow!
Shit. Please. Get man's asleep.
That's what
Just
she
get
said.
on. Just get on. Just get on. Just get on. Just get on. You got two. You got one more.
Oh. Ah, fuck. Ow, that hurt.
Oh. Shit.
Just how much that fucking hurts. I hope you're worth
Don't
it.
care. Just get on with it. That's a wall! That's a wall! That's a wall! That's a wall!
Go. Bollocks me hours.
Right, okay. John. This is the last night for me and you and Ross together.
Yeah.
We've done dead arms and we said we're gonna make a long video.
Yeah.
And
We're both in agony.
we're in agony. Brother, I love you.
I love you too, brother.
We'll have a couple of drinks and slaps and that's it.
Drink.
No.
No, come on.
No.
Come on, one more drink. 4 slabs, we gotta do it.
Alright,
Come on.
we'll have one more drink.
It's rules. It's rules. It's about rules.
Alright. Cheers, brother.
Cheers, brother. Right. Who's starting?
Left hands.
Left hands.
Left
Is
hands.
it's all about left hands.
You go first.
Shit! Oh, fuck my life.
I'll come down. I don't care. Right hand.
Oh! Shit.
Just carry on. Just fucking
Left hand. Oh.
And at the same time we'll have a game of dead legs.
No, not that. I'm injured in that one.
It's alright, don't worry. My legs are going to collapse on me anyway, so.
We're gonna sit down for that one. We'll sit down and we'll put the camera up.
Okay.
But still.
Right, okay. We'll have one more game as a slap side.
Alright, hang on, let's put the...
One more game as a slap.
Right, is it left-handers? Come on, left-handers.
Left or right?
No, left-handers.
Up
Come
to
on.
you.
Oh! Fuck!
At the same time, we're going to have a game of dead legs on this one.
Yeah, we're going to sit down for this shit though. I'm old for this. No, if possible, that one. That one.
That one?
Yeah.
So you point the camera view. Is that perfect for you?
Yeah. Ow! Oh my god! My life.
Right, we're swap positions. We're swap positions.
Yeah.
I'll sit down and you do the same thing.
Shit.
I'm really looking forward to this.
Do you know, we've just done what we never said we would ever do.
What's that? The legs.
Dead legs.
Well,
Right. Ow! Oh my god!
let's go.
Oh!
Come on.
Let's go, let's go.
You might have to move the bag. I think it might actually be a good idea to move.
No, don't worry. Do you know how much we're injuring myself for them lot? For fuck's sake. That's it? That's it for the legs.
No.
Oh, for fuck's sake. We still, hang on, we're still recording.
It's still recording.
Hello, darling.
We're still recording.
Those.
Well, I'm gonna,
That one, not that one.
yeah, of
ever.
course.
Ow! Fuck my life. Oh my god, get on the fucking chair. This is the last one. This is the last one. Oh my god.
We've got one more after this.
No, no, no.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't take a seat.
Legs are a lot more easier.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
That's fucking... No!
Do you know what happened there? You punched my arm.
I just punched a fucking... whatever, it hurt.
That's my elbow.
We're still recording. Fuck my life. Oh, wait. You gotta do it. You gotta
Because
do it.
that was too for flinching.
Arms then. Hang on, wait.
It will be in the arm.
Wait.
Because it was too for flinching.
No, I can't move on to my bed. I can't move on to my bed. Ah! Ah!
You want a headbutt?
No. It's like plastic bags.
No, not really.
It's like plastic bags. Ooh, lovely. Oh, darling. Oh, darling. Darling. Don't be a bitch. Oh. Ow! You broke my finger, bitch. Anyway. Come on, we got a last message to the folks.
Guys, we're gonna have you looking to stay on my arm.
Well, yeah, we're dead, right? We're not here. We're wango. We wango.
Proper.
We chango. We wango. We dead, right? But we do this video for you because we love you, like. But the thing is, we're fucking dead, so we're gonna end this right now by saying fuck you.
No, we're
Hard. No, that's not how we're gonna end it.
No.
That's cruel. We're gonna end this by saying that we are brothers. We've enjoyed this video, but we hope you've had a fun experience of Bull and come on, Dozer, Bull and Dozer. I'm not wearing my cut tonight, but Bull and Dozer's back, you see. So smile, give us a smile. We love your smile.
If anyone's got any morphine, please jump on a fat boy.
We got smiles, you know.
I
We
need some
love
morphine.
we love smiles. We love smiles.
I could do with some morphine.
To be honest, too much sexy people around. Ooh. Sounds like we're wanking. Sounds like we're wanking.
Oh, slapping on the door!
Oh no, no, we don't want to do that. Oh, actually, wait there. I want to take care. Hang on, wait.
No! Again!
Stop it. Well, stop.